Working.
It looks like fluffy marshmallow when you melt it.
I will eat first. I know.
No! That's disgusting. Daga. Guys, it's Yana. It means why?
My name is Casey. It means K. We are YK Vlogs. Okay, so they're gonna make a
Slime.
slime.
Not just any slime. It's fluffy slime.
Are you sure it's fluffy slime?
Yes.
Sure? Okay. Okay, let's start going.
Hi guys! We are here in our backyard.
Ding, 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 ding.
Slime testing.
Ding. Okay, so they're gonna,
Make slime.
yeah.
Slime.
Okay, the materials are
Here in the birthday. We have detergent,
detergent,
shaving cream, shake it first.
yeah, shaving cream.
Egg glue, which is Philippines.
Are you
Egg bowl. It's mop.
nice spoon. Okay.
And
Okay.
first,
The first, no.
glue. We pull a little bit.
Yeah, no.
Nice.
Oh, like this first, teacher.
Like this.
Put the glue here.
A little here. Shake it. Shake it. Oh,
What is the next? I don't.
shaving cream. What's that nail?
It's good.
I don't
Hey.
know how to shake it.
Are you kidding me?
Just one teaspoon. Just shake it first before. Just a little bit.
Okay.
Trying to make for a second.
Oh.
Wow! That's a little bit. Oh yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes. Next lotion. Are you kidding me?
I think it's not working.
I'm gonna use my hand.
This is my cousin's.
Hi. Let's mix it. Oh, it's so fluffy. Where you gonna mix it? It's so fluffy. Oh no.
It's not fluffy.
It does.
Hey!
Oh, there's a stair.
OMG.
What the heck?
Yucks.
What's the smell? Hey, it's so gross. Time to add a detergent from the bottle. Wow, look at the delicious icing. Okay, let's start to add a little bit. Ooh. Oh, dear, can I mix it?
Me first.
Ah! OMG!
It's working.
It looks like fluffy marshmallow when you melt it.
I will eat first. I know.
No! That's disgusting. Disgusting.
Okay, guys, it's working.
It's coming. Can I use my hands to it?
Hey, no way. Stop it.
Ah! Let's mix it again.
Wait! You too.
Ah! That's too slimy. Are you kidding me? Oh, it's so sticky. It's a little bit sticky.
Me first. Hey, don't touch it.
Are you kidding me? Cousin, please my room. Ah! Okay, wait. Oh, they know. Oh, it's so fluffy. It's so
Yeah,
fluffy.
it's working. You said yesterday.
It's fluffy.
Fluffy. Yeah, it's correct.
Correctly fluffy. What the heck? Can you put like that? Ha 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 ha, sticking. We just go knead it first. Well, it's sticking to your hands.
Okay,
Let's knead
guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope
Enjoy.
you like it.
it. Slime. Yeah.
Please like,
Comment down below.
subscribe, and share.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Like it.
Ding, ding.